Stop. Oh my god, that's so good. 1.4k. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. We are back on rain.gg. Once again we have 650 coins to play with. And before we get into the video, if you're gonna play on Rain, don't forget to be under code Vaulty, hit 7 days and apply. If you do so, you will automatically join our 1000 coin by weekly leaderboard that ends in 2 days. So yeah, don't miss that out. Let's start off right away with putting 25 coins on Rain spin here, and hopefully we can get that 100x. Okay, great start. We're hitting instantly. But that is so bad. How much is that? It's a 7x. We'll take it though, we'll take it. It's like hitting bait. Let's go for a double here. It hit earlier today. What? Okay, there's no double. There's some really good items in here. So if we're lucky... Okay. It's good that the day hit. Stop. Nah, double bait on trap. Come on, it's up to crunchy. Okay, that's absolutely nothing. And we don't even win it. Let's try something different. Let's do one of these. Once more. 3 versus 3 crazy jackpot. No, 4-way I mean. 4-way crazy jackpot. Just give us one good hit here. That's all we're asking for. No, okay. I would have been so mad if we were the one hitting. Yeah, that's fine. Let's go back to double. Never mind. Regular 2 versus 2. Come on, we haven't hit anything yet. No 1%er. Stardust, do it please. No. This is a kinda risky case, come on. Okay, that's a spin for us, come on. Be something good now. Show us a gold. Stop on that. Nah, and it baits. 83, it would have been 300. No hit on global. No hit there. There's 2 cases left, I believe. Yeah, 2 5%ers left. Okay, 5% rifle. Just do it. This is not paying. Nah, we do win though, but it's not money back. 100 coins. We just do this one, 7%er. We're gonna do 4 demos. 4 more. And now this is the one. Come on, show us the spin. It ain't happening. We're down to 238 coins. We need to win this one. Start it off right away. Bot 20 or number 6. Show us a spin. I mean, if it's the skeleton now, I'm gonna be mad. Ah, that's bad. Okay. 370. Now one of these two needs to hit. Okay. Why? Why did we go crazy mode? Oh my god. Watch it be the karambit as well. Okay, it's the shotgun, that's completely fine. 80 coins. But where are the hits on the right? Everything is up to Life's Lemon. Come on. Ah. We're gonna have so little percentage here. That's not us. Wasn't even that great of a win either. 245, almost 100 coins plus. Let's go in here. Let's put 29 over here. And let's put 10 on bait. Come on, do it. That's not hitting. Fuck. Okay, it's time to go all in now. 3 versus 3 crazy jackpot. No, 2 versus 2 I mean. 9 cases. Come on, this needs to be the one. Come on. The show spins, spot number 3 and 20. Nothing in the first one. Okay. Okay, that's a hit on Slaughter. Stop, 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 stop! Oh my god, that's so good! 1.4k! Holy fuck, wait! Oh my god! Come on now! 4 cases left! King G, show us on the right. Okay! Now, be the crown foil as well. Give them the crown foil. Okay, we'll take the red, we'll take it. 115. Okay, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad. Okay, now, please don't let me hit anything. Don't let me hit anything. Trap, don't disappoint us. Hits anywhere but me. Okay, we're gonna have 92%. Come on. There's no way! They have 5%! How is that even possible? How is it possible? That's so disgusting. Okay, what can you do, boys? What can you do? But I'm so pissed. That's so disgusting. If you're gonna play on Rain though, go in, put on code Vaulty, hit 7 days and apply. If you do so, you will automatically join the leaderboard and you also get 5% deposit bonus. And we will see you boys in the next video.